Hey everyone, it's me Gavin, and this will be a quick tutorial on how to toggle the main camera, or the main cameras in the game, with some Python and the BGE, and I'm just getting started. So to start off, let's hit 1 to go in the front view and do spacebar and then add a camera like this. And what I'm going to do is drag this camera back. So if we hit 0, we can see this camera is at this angle, but then this one's going to be more at like this angle. Alright, now that we have this, let's right click on our cube and go from defaults to game logic, Blender render Blender game. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to have a variable, and I'll just call this cam active, so camera active or something like that. And let's have it so that every time we hit the space bar with tab selected, I'll just name this a space. What we're going to do is I'm going to toggle that property. So let's toggle this, change this from assign to toggle, and we're going to toggle the cam active property. So if I were to hit game and then show debug properties, you can see every time we need to have this eye selected first. If I were to hit P, we can see every time I hit the space bar, it would toggle this property. Alright, now that we have this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an always sensor like this, connect these, or not connect these, but hit those first 3 dots. Hit this Python controller right here and connect this like this, and do templates Python then game logic simple. And let's take this out and let's delete the portion that I've highlighted right here, and hit control and scroll up on your mouse to make your text larger, and rename this as scripts.py and add this right here. So now that we have this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it, so let's have if own cam active is equal to true, we're going to have something happen, and if it's not true, we're going to have something happen. But first, what we're going to do is define the scene. So let's do a scene is going to equal bg.logic.get current scene like this, and what we're going to do is we're going to have scene.activeCamera active_camera is going to equal one of these cameras whenever we define it, whenever we have this property true. So what I'm actually going to do is just define them up here. So let's have 1 is going to equal scene.objects, and let's just say camera points 001, which is I believe the name of this camera right here, which it is. And we're going to have happen now is have 2 is going to equal scene.objects camera like this. So for the scene.active camera right here, let's have this be equal to 1. And then down here, what we're going to have happen is have scene.active camera is going to equal 2. So if the variable is true, it's going to equal this. And as you can see right here, whenever we toggle those properties, it's going to switch the camera angle and it's going to switch the cameras. Alright everyone, so this is how you switch cameras with Python and the BGE. I hope you guys find this very useful, and I will show you the script just for one more second. Alright, so there you go. Thanks for watching everyone.